Look at that kick, bro. Look at the power of that. Damn. Oh, nah. This nigga got you in your panties, bro. Nah, bro.
Yeah, need it. Yeah, work it.
Bro, I was so sick. They were killing characters off left and right. That pissed me off, bro. No cap. I was tight. Yo, I thought that was a bra. Oh my days. I was about to... Yeah, I need to cleanse my mind, bro. I need to cleanse my mind. Yo, let's go, man. You know what? No. I can't lie. I was trashing on himeno before, bro. She was a dub until the end. Let's go! Oh! I love these guys. I'm skipping the intro though. You best believe. Nigga, you're not doing shit. Don't do that. Alright, this fight scene is tough. Ooh! Who are these niggas, bruh? Yeah, if you don't step back, like, what are you doing? Hey. Like, what are you trying to do right there? He doesn't care, bro. Just slice his neck. Slice his neck. See, told you, doesn't care. Just get rid of him. Slice his neck up, bro. That nigga doesn't care, bro. Slice his neck up. He's gonna slice you, bro. Yep, there we go. He's behind you. Yo! I'm telling you, bro. That nigga doesn't care, bro. Into. Nigga. Oh. Yo. This is one of the scary. Bro, she got... Look at how she stanced up right now, bro. She didn't make a sound, bro. We're talking about borrow 30 convicts. How are you gonna borrow? Wait, what? Shrine. Are they gonna execute and sacrifice these niggas, bro? Like, what is she about to do right now? This show, okay, we're gonna have some problems, bro. This anime is way too quiet, bro. I can't even react. I'm just out here sat like for like the whole show, like just make me say something, please. But this man shook over nothing, bro. If you don't grab it. Bro, what? What did I just witness, bro? Yo, what's going on? That nigga's next, bro. He's next, bro. He's next. Yeah, it's tough. Imagine the grip. Like, just imagine. Like, do you not see the way you just squeeze it? Like, Okay. I forgot Granny had some... Why'd she have that? That's tough, bro. Can't lie, she's been mad annoying in past few episodes, but she better tee up right now. She better go crazy right now. Okay. What's she about to do? Okay. Yo! Let's go! Oh! Run that one back. Oh my! Yo! Hey, nah, she's nice. I can't lie, she's mad nice. She's nice. Nah, she's a dog. Where was this last time? No, she's a dub, bro. I don't know where this came from, but you know what? She's a dub. I respect it now. Whoa! That's ridiculous, bro. Nah. I can't lie, I didn't know she was like that, bro. But damn. It's really creepy, bro. Like, she doesn't emote at all, bro. It's really weird. Where was she? Did she run away? Facts, bro. Where was she at? She is an absolute dickhead, bro. There's no way she left. How did she run away? Are you serious right now? I cannot believe this, bro. Look at that field of graveyards, bro. Do you see how many niggas just died, bro? Do you know how big, like, bro, these are mountains in the back. Like, do you know how many people have died for you to have, like, just one cross everywhere? Like, do you know how crazy that is? Oh, hell nah. This thing is creepy. This man is a problem, bro. This man's already incapacitated because he just met. Yo, keep your tongue in your mouth, bro. Are you blushing? Oh, hell no. What is that? Hold on, bro. What is that tiny ass hammer gonna do, bro? Are you serious right now? What is this? If you don't give me, like, a sword, like, give me a blade. What are we doing right now, bro? What is this tiny ass hammer, bro? We're not fixing things. We're trying to kill him, man. Are you serious? I'm sorry, I don't think I saw that correctly. Bro, bro, are you... Nigga said, I'll visit you at your place, bro. You better become prepared. This is the type of nigga that will barge into your house and like just scrap. Like he will just say nothing. Like just be on smoke. He is that type of guy, bro. These are the two dumbest niggas in this show so far, talking about fighting with brains. With what brains, bro? Yeah, they're gonna lose very badly. Yeah, I sense it. They're gonna lose very badly. I see it coming. Yeah, they're gonna lose extremely. They're gonna get washed. Give me a nose plug. Give me a nose plug. Give me a nose plug and I'll do it. Give me a nose plug and I'll do it. No cap. Give me a nose plug and I'll do it. Just give it. Just. I told you, bro. You were about to get. How would he see that? There's no way, bro. Does this nigga have like hockey or something? He didn't even open the door. How did you see that? Do you have X-ray vision? He definitely saw you. You took way too... Are you fucking serious right now? This man turned around. He roundhouse kicked you in like 2 frames, bro. He smacked the glasses off your face. Oh my days, bro. I knew they were gonna get washed, but I didn't know it was gonna be this bad. Oh my... He incapacitated the nigga, bro. Look at him. Look at him over there, bro. Oh! Now, he didn't need to do all that. He didn't need to do all that. Nigga, what is this? What did you just show me, bro? Is this a fucking tree? Is this a tree? Is this a tree? Fuck. No. That looks nasty. He's just about to do it, bro. Like there's not some giant eyeball in there. Look how tall this thing is. That looks ridiculous. Switch the angle now. Never mind, bro. Never mind, bro. Why is he doing all that, bro? He's not even doing anything crazy. Why is he like... getting so happy. Like, I could just tell. Aki is just one of those characters made to die. Like, bro, if he doesn't die, I'll be very surprised, to be honest. Nigga, this is the BBC meme. Yo! This is an insane image, bro. I just realized, is this the Yakuza? What the fuck? Oh! Yo, like, I still fuck with her, but damn, she's creepy. She just stole how many niggas' eyes, bro? My God, you're in the wrong anime for this, bro. Damn, bro, look how he just slapped that. He didn't even use the sword, he just smacked him across the face. Are you serious right now? How can you see into the future and still get touched? What the hell? Oh my days. And this nigga was a minor, bro. How she... Yo, she has a problem with minors, bro. Like, what's your deal? Yo! Nah, I can't lie, bro. She been popping off the recent episode. Where did she come from? Where did she come from, bro? Yo, look how she just pop. Nigga, fuck your talk. Didn't you just slice this man in half? Just no questions asked. What is this guy talking about? Let's have a talk. Nigga, fuck your grandpa. He tried to sacrifice him to some zombie for what? For some zombie powers. No, get out of my sight. I don't want to see that. No, fuck that. That nigga just tried to murk him first episode. Fuck that, bro. That's not worth shit. Fuck your grandpa. Your deadbeat grandpa tried to... Your deadbeat fucked grandpa tried to scam $1 million out of a 16-year-old boy. Fuck him, bro. That nigga's a bum. He's 6 feet under. I piss on his grave. They just... Wait, no. They're not that high up in the sky. Wait. How are they this high up? It's only 13 floors. Oh, shit. Look at that kick, bro. Look at the power of that. Damn. You see the recoil made him spin a little bit, bro. See that? You see that recoil made him spin a little... Damn, bro. God, these guys... Ooh. Kind of like this fight is live. Benji has to get his ultimate move soon, bro. He has to go crazy now. Oh, he's behind you. Hey, say what you want. That Katana nigga is fast, bro. Like, how did he end up behind him? He was behind him and in the sky. Like, what? Fuck your grandpa, bro. Your grandpa, bro, this nigga's grandpa was a dickhead. No cap. You better not apologize, bro. Use that head of yours. Facts. Oh! Yeah, now you're done. Yo! He had it in his leg? Nah, I can't like that's live. Oh, nah, this nigga got you in your panties, bro. Nah, bro, you're about to get finished. Oh no. Oh no. I really thought he meant tournament. He's gonna host a fucking tournament and the next arc or whatever season was gonna be next is gonna be a tournament arc. But this nigga is really serious about kicking this man in the dick, bro. Yeah, you're gonna fuck up this. kids. Oh my days, bro. Say what you want. I'm kicking that in the bulls, bro. No cap. If that was me, I'm kicking that nigga so hard he's gonna make his bulls retracted and shit and get him a vagina, bro. That nigga's gonna change gender. Fuck you talking about, bro? I'm punting that. I'm winding up too. I'm using my capoeira skills like I'm Eddie Gordo. What are we talking about right now? There you go. Facts. That's. Yeah. Yo, it made a fucking ding, bro. Bro, hold on. I need to, bro. It made a fucking bell ding sound. I can't believe this, bro. Oh my days, bro. Oh, that's for your grandpa. Damn. I can't take this seriously, bro. This is serious as quote, bro. I can't take that seriously. This man's just kicking up his kids, bro. I can't take that serious. Are you serious right now? You have to be joking. You have to be joking. Nigga, are you serious? Bro. This is some Batman shit, bro. Like, what? How'd you get assassinated before we could squeeze information out of you, bro? And you traumatized Kobe. What the fuck, man? I'm done. That got me tight. Like, you always have to tease me with some shit, bro. Like, why can't you just never show me something? Can you, like, please? Like, bro, do I always have to get edged, like, in every anime? Like, I have to be left off by a cliffhanger every time, bro. Like, they can never just end it for real. Like, I know. That's just pissed me off, bro.
Look at the contracts, back to the trap. We know she mad if she got more busy. Betty called Lizzie, I'm fucking up. Betty called Lizzie, I'm fucking her team. I know the key to breathe. To clarify, I ain't no one. My toe back holding a gun. I talk my shit and I told my gun. Got cam in me, yo, and that's gang, you see. Yo, I know you won't start on him, little brother. I know you ain't that silly.